Well, my friends, when you have a cup of coffee in one hand and a camera in the other, it can always be a good day. I hope you're looking good and I hope you're feeling good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have a couple things in the books for today. We have 1, 2, 3 right over here. But what we need to actually focus on today is, let's go see. This, my friends, has become the elephant in the room. And unfortunately, it's just too much. And I need to take my office / spare bedroom into consideration, and my wonderful wife that is so patient with me having stuff everywhere. Guys, some people can absolutely work and work greatly in the midst of clutter, but I unfortunately have put it in the back of my mind and have organized, of course, the rest of the house. Was working in the garage on the Man Cave series, which is not finished yet. We still have a couple more episodes of that. This, unfortunately, has just started to stack up, and I need to get an actual routine down. Now, I'd say about 90% of what you're seeing right here needs to be eBayed. Putting eBay auctions on eBay is a tedious task that I'm not the biggest fan of. Now, again, all these are pretty much all of them are either my dumpster diving finds or my product reviews that I have not given away, not kept, or have not donated, and they're worth some cash, and I'm not going to use them. I have like 6 pairs of headphones, so I need to sell. Sell. Okay, coming back over here, let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick here. That's my drones there, little bicycle helmet. We got this really nice chair, and then that is a Louis Vuitton purse I found dumpster diving. Let's concentrate real quickly on this chair here. Let's go ahead and open up this door and take a little look-see here. If you guys are not familiar at all with what I put up on this channel here, we do vlogs, and then we do a dumpster diving episode, a trash to treasure show. It's a web series about dumpster diving. I found this office chair right here. This is a beautiful office chair. It has very little to, if any, we have like just a tiny little thing up here, little scuff there from when they actually threw it in the dumpster. But this came from Office Depot. It's absolutely fantastic. If you guys have watched the vlogs for a while, you probably have seen this just kind of hunkered down over here in the corner here. Well, I just leave it there because I don't really know what to do with it. And you're wondering, like, what in the world? Why don't you use it? Well, I like leather, but I really like the mesh ventilated back, especially for hot summertime weather. I do want to keep this because eventually I want to have more space in my garage, getting rid of some of my space that I need for selling. And I want to actually set up like a little better desk area down there. I'm working on the Man Cave series, but maybe I'm trying to eventually hold this as well for another like podcasting chair, something like that. Anyway, it's a great chair. It's like $300 brand new, so I just don't want to get rid of it. It's a great chair. That is what we really need to do today. We need to organize. We need to see what we can do about this, and we need to cut this beautiful hair right here, my friends. This hair is getting long and shaggy, and my sides are growing out. I need to cut that down to a 1, and we're gonna get into it real nice here. We got some action in the books for tonight. Hopefully Natalie will get off work in time so we can attend to that action. But until then, my friends, drink some coffee, enjoy the vlog. I'll see you on the flip side. Well, guys, been working for about an hour now, and you can't unfortunately really tell because I'm organizing, putting up, getting rid of stuff. It's just tough, guys, especially when it's like, well, it depends. If you need the money, then obviously you want to sell everything. If you don't, then just Goodwill everything or give it all away. I wish I was in the circumstances where I literally made enough off of YouTube and my affiliate marketing where I could just get rid of everything, including things that I product review. But I do need the extra cash to pay bills. Again, I'm in California. Very expensive rent, very expensive cost of living, so unfortunately right now I need to go ahead and sell these things to help pay the bills. Eventually, God willing, I will get to a point where literally, if I was in this circumstance financially right now, I would literally just give all this stuff away and just purge it out of the house. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is that right now I need to organize because I can't purge, but even if you can purge things like under 10, 20 bucks that are just not worth your time to sell, then you just need to get rid of it. Just go to Goodwill and get rid of it, because sometimes, guys, it comes to a point where you just need organization in your life so you can move on to the next step. Now, see, my wife is like that, where my wife needs her home domain organized so she feels organized, and I don't blame her. That's why I'm trying to help her right now. Bedroom, living room, all that's organized, but this room, which she doesn't come into very much. Let's go ahead and take my desk, for example, right here, right? I got a couple monitors, I got my little video editing setup, we got a chest of drawers, we got this bed over here. Things are looking good. Of course, products everywhere right here. As we look over here, I got cluttered papers, I got my keyboard here with my agenda book, my mouse, my chargers, I got my little kind of bobbleheads over here, my whiteboard over here for organization. But guys, this needs to be absolutely streamlined. I need to feel organized in my workspace and my home, and that's the only problem about working from home is that, whoops, what was that? Pair of shorts. The only problem about working from home, guys, is that you're always home. You're always working from home. Now again, I can go wherever I want, whenever I want. That's the pleasure of being able to be during work hours free to roam, right? But I need to get things done during certain hours of the day before my wife comes home, and so I can spend time with her. So that is what I'm trying to work on, because again, we've been going full time since beginning of February, where we are doing only YouTube, only online work. What I'm trying to say is organize your life so that you can move forward, and also you could bless others by giving it to them. Bless people at Goodwill. They have jobs because you donate to Goodwill. Until then, how about some more coffee? Alrighty folks, we're gonna take a nice little break while we're heating up some food, because it is time to eat. We got some nice green veggies with some nice red meat cooking up right there. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. We'll get a shot at it in just a second. Let's come down right over here and let's play 1, 2, 3. Which one do you think I'm gonna open up first? I know immediately you probably thought that one because it's the smaller one. That's probably the least best one out of them all. Well, guess what, guys? We're gonna probably open up that one first. All right, who is the winner? Winner, chicken dinner. All right, let's see what we got right here. I'll tell you what, I only know one in particular that I have an idea. Actually, no, I know for sure what it is. These ones, let's see if it's this one or not. Whoa, all sorts of goodies, all sorts of goodies, all sorts of goodies. My goodness, that's a list. That's right, this company wanted to send out a ton of cables. So let's go ahead and take a little gander. We always love cables. We got all sorts of adapters here. We got a display male VGA male 1080p to HDMI type of a cable. We got another cable type thing. And then some big daddy, what is this? HDMI cable, 1.5 meter. What is that, an extendable flat ribbon? HDMI cable, I'm not exactly sure. Guys, cables are expensive, and if you need cables, you might as well get them for free, you know what I'm saying? All right. Next up, let's see what we got here. This one I'm a little excited about because, hold on, no, I don't know what this one is. So, let's see what we got. Again, double stacked again. It looks like some of these companies are sending me two things. Looks like this same, oh, that's right, okay, cool, very nice. Guys, let's take a look at this. These ones, again, I was expecting these ones. Didn't think they were gonna come this soon. I will show you exactly what it is real quick. Whoa, what is that? An OEM PS3 controller DualShock. Again, not a genuine, but it is exactly the same exact thing. PS3 controller. We got a black one I'm reviewing for the company, and that again is wireless, and it doesn't come with any cables or plugs. And then boom, a red one. Yeah, baby. I actually needed a new controller, and so that is absolutely fantastic, guys. We're looking great on that. That's by Findway, Findway. If you're interested in getting some inexpensive PlayStation controllers. Okay, coming over here to this guy, and let's peer on in and see what we got. Okay, I was waiting for this one. This one, my friends, is a Keystone 9.6 volt, 1600 milliamp Butterfly mini battery for an airsoft gun. How about that? Dun, dun, dun. Let's take a little gander at that one right there. Boom, Butterfly airsoft gun battery. We're looking absolutely fantastic there. I actually needed that, so hey, it's always a pleasure when companies reach out for a review for something you actually need, so you don't have to pay for it. Alrighty, with that ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's eat. So you're like, Chris, what do you eat when you're on regimen? Okay, number one, I'm not really a microwave fan, but hey, it does work. But let me tell you a quick story. So I used to do transportation full time, as you guys may know. I was a chauffeur driver. I picked up a lot of important people over the years, people that are richer than Santa Claus, people that are just really chislax people. Anyway, without getting further ado, let me tell you again the story on hand. So what I did is I transported a doctor that specializes in cancer research. He actually told me that one way you can prevent food issues and cancer radiation in your food from microwave. Some people might think totally mumbo jumbo. Some people, might actually hold this true. So he told me, now a lot of people are scared of microwaves, and so let me tell you exactly what he said. He said you can use a microwave. A microwave is fine. But I repeat, he says you need to be 16 feet away from it minimum while it is microwaving. So that means that you cannot stand right here while we're microwaving, okay? We gotta go 16 feet back over here. That's why I was sitting right here doing my filming, because that's estimated about 16 feet away. I probably was a little closer than I should have, but that's okay. All right, coming back to the story. Then he said, after you open up the microwave, get your food, and you wait 2 minutes. That's right, 2 full minutes before you take your first bite. So that gives it time to go ahead and settle in, sprinkle with some salt, whatever you need to do. 2 minutes after you pull it out, after it stops, boom, then you proceed. So let's go ahead and put some Hatch Valley salsa on top of this, and let's grind, baby. We got 96% lean, 4% fat. We have fresh veggies, steamed only. We're gonna sprinkle just a little sea salt on top. Hatch Valley salsa, boom, it's done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that you saw me loading up was Goodwill. Again, the drop box is 24 hours down the street in the shopping center parking lot. So I'm gonna head over there right now, dump this stuff because I just need to get it out and free and clear. Of course, I could tie it in with going down to the post office. That would probably be a little bit more appropriate. But you know what? I just have a lot of stuff, and so I just wanted to pack it all one trip to Goodwill, and hopefully they'll grab this stuff in the morning, because all this stuff is not going to fit through that little slot, and some of it is fragile. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to put it all next to the big bin, and a lot of people do that. Hopefully though, people won't steal it. Unfortunately, sometimes that does happen. People rifle through things that other people leave next to the box. Well, my experience is, well, you know what? I can't really control all that. And if they really need it, like a homeless person passes by and I got some clothing in there, if they really need it, so be it. You know what I'm saying? Let them have it. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel about that. All right, cool, guys. I will see you on the flip side. Well, guys, in this shady, dark parking lot over in the corner here, see, as we can see here, oh my goodness gracious, look at all this other stuff that people have left already. Let's take a little gander at what we got. Wow, guys, take a look at that. We got all sorts of stuff. I'll go ahead and light that up so you guys can see what other people are dropping. Guys, like I said, if there is a homeless person, they need clothes, hopefully they'll grab it. I had some nice long sleeve sweaters if they get cold at nighttime. Even though it is summertime, it's still right now 68 degrees, and unfortunately there is a homeless person over there, so I didn't want to go over there and film, and just, you know, that's disrespectful. So they're just kind of crashed out, and I was very, very quiet creeping over there, and they're just kind of tucked between the mattress right over here, and just kind of anyway, I've seen it before. He's a homeless guy, and he kind of digs through some of the stuff that's here at the drop box, so hopefully he can find some shirts that fit him, or some long sleeve shirts that were too big for me, like XLs, because I think he's a little bit taller. So anyway, he's a local. I've seen him around before, so God bless him, and hopefully he gets on his feet here shortly, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, guys, we're gonna head back home. It's getting absolutely late now. We're back home now, guys, and looking and feeling absolutely fantastic, trying to decide what I want to eat. It is now currently 1:20 a.m. and it's time to edit and time to go to bed, baby. So, not exactly sure, but we're gonna get into something real good here, I'll tell you what. Alrighty, ooh, I like the looks of that right there. I'll see you guys on mañana, which is tomorrow. God bless you, God protect you. Remember to carpe diem, baby. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.